Japan. The land of the rising sun. The country of Japan is a fascinating blend of the traditional and the modern. Japan consists of many islands. Honshu is Japan's main island and home to most of the country's major cities and cultural sites. Japan is known as the land of the rising sun. It wasn't discovered by the West, Portuguese traders until 1543. Mount Fuji is a sacred volcano of Japan. It is its highest point at 3,776 meters. Earthquakes are common in Japan. In 2011, an earthquake and tsunami caused major damage. Japan experienced atomic bombing in World War II. The cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki suffered immense death and damage, August 6 and 9, 1945. Japan is very urban. Big, modern cities cover Japan. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. It is the world's largest urban area with over 37 million people. However, the transportation system is very efficient and fast. Shibuya Crossing is the busiest intersection in the world. The population of Japan is aging rapidly, and that is changing Japan a lot. The religious and cultural capital of Japan is the beautiful Buddhist city of Kyoto. Visit a Buddhist temple in Kyoto and experience peace and quiet like no other. The Japanese language is spoken by over 130 million people. It is unique in that it has no derivative or mother language. Writing is difficult, 3 alphabets are used. Samurai are ancient warriors of Japan. They were a military elite protecting nobles. Japan is famous for its cherry blossoms which bloom bright pink each spring. Japan has held both the Summer and Winter Olympic Games. It's actually quite cold in winter, in northern Japan. Japanese game shows are crazy. Have you seen the movie, Lost in Translation? The Japanese tea ceremony is preparing, serving, and drinking green tea in a ritualistic and ceremonial way where it is used to promote well-being, mindfulness, and harmony. Japanese food is both simple and delicious. The Japanese love their noodles. Can you use chopsticks? Sushi is simple and delicious. So too is world-renowned Kobe beef. Sake is the traditional drink of Japan, rice wine. The Japanese love their technology and are technology trendsetters. Japanese anime is popular around the world. Kei Nishikori is a world-famous Japanese tennis player. Sumo wrestling is a traditional Japanese sport. Come visit Japan. We know you'll be amazed. What more do you know about Japan? Let us know in the comments.